So here's a stock that I think we need to keep on watch going into Monday's session. That stock is going to be Lucid, LCID. Here is the reason why. Okay, so I do have the daily chart pulled up. You can see going back here to the 28th of October, we had this big, nice spike followed by a second day ramp up. However, bulls were not able to close at the top of the range. We did come down 1, 2, 3 days and back test a 5-day moving average. Now, we know that when a stock is strong, it's going to power trend off of the 5-day moving average on the daily time frame. Okay, so realistically, the 10-day moving average is the birth of the trade, meaning that as soon as a stock can reclaim the 10-day moving average, which we did down here on the 25th of October, is the start and the birth of the trade, really. So essentially, you want to see a stock that's trading underneath the 10-day moving average, reclaim that, and then you want to start to see it gain momentum and sort of power trend off of that 5-day moving average. What I want to look at here is 4250. The reason why is that if I go to the hourly time frame on Friday's session, that is the highs that we put in. That's the highs that we touched on Friday's session. 42, 43 is the highs. So I'm looking for it to confirm that price action. Right now, we are backtesting the 5 as well as the linear regression. So this is completely fine if we consolidate for, a few more hours going into the pre-market and maybe even the start of Monday's session. But 4250 is what I'm looking to take out here. I actually did take a trade on Friday at 3950. And that reason being was right here, this little like spinning top bullish candle here. We had 1, 2 pushes higher, then we did come back and test the Bollinger Band. If I put a trend line so it's a little bit easier to see, and I did call this out in my Discord. I was doing the live voice audio with a couple of traders in there as well. So we were kind of watching this chart at that particular time. 3450, I did get in here. I just took it for a small scalp, nothing major. I should have held on longer because it actually did run up 2 to 3 points. But, if you know me, that's not really my game. I'm trying to really just focus on taking that first initial pop, that first initial move, get in, get positive cash flow, and get out. Just depending on how the market is looking. I am learning to hold a little bit longer. So there is going to be a few plays where I'm going to allow a little bit bigger risk and then try to hold for a little bit longer when the move is in my favor. But that 3950 was a great little pivot there. Pop that off on a few contracts on Friday. But 4250 is what I am looking for going into Monday's session. You can see here we do have top supply at 47. So if we can start to sort of confirm this 4250, we are going to have room to run. There is no supply. We were consolidating. If I just bring up my little drawing tool here, we were consolidating this whole time. This is going back from March all the way to October. All of this area here was stuck in a range. This is what you would call distribution. This is what you would call consolidation. Stock was going up and down. Yes, there is opportunities to make money when the stock is doing this. However, it's more short term and it is more from a day trader's perspective. This is the first real break that we got here. So this break here is what I like to see. Maybe if we consolidate a little bit more and then pop through this 4250, this would be my next price target in here at around this $47 area. Obviously, any close over 47, I would like to see a little bit of consolidation, maybe back test this 47 once more, and then start to push these all-time highs here at 64. I know this is a messy drawing on the chart, but just trying to give you guys a general idea. I do think we need to keep Lucid on watch for this week, 4250. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Have a great weekend, rest, relax, and I will see you guys all on Monday.